Thank you guys for the love. I received so many comments in this video. After reading all the comments, I became emotional. And I didn't know that what should I write. Still I tried and I hope you will like it. If you don't want to listen my voice, you can simply turn off the volume. Let's start. It's been 1 month. T is ignoring them completely. He always spent his life in his room and sometimes he went to watch TV. But reality was he was broken from inside. He never think to get love from JK cause he knows that JK only loves Lisa. But Lisa was sad but happy for T cause for her T was like her brother. Lisa also noticed that T is in love with JK. I was so confused by this new behavior. He always ignored me like I don't exist. I mean, seriously, I'm his husband. What the hell I'm thinking? Whatever, I don't care. I went to kitchen for drinking water, but I saw T was eating food and giggling like a child. I stared at him for so long. I also smiled. I mean, who will not? He is just like a cute baby. JK went to kitchen and take the bottle. T didn't notice him, but JK wanted T's attention, so he tensely touched his back. He thought T will say something, but suddenly T moved and bumped into JK's chest. He's looking so damn cute. His eyes. I never saw beautiful eyes like him, and his lips just like strawberry. He closed his eyes tightly, but then he remembered about Lisa and he quickly turned around. JK felt embarrassed and quickly left the place. They thought, Sid, what was that? How can I do this to Lisa? Time skip. It's been 2 weeks from that incident. Now he always try to control his feelings and ignore them completely. Today was holiday, so JK's all friends decided to hang out in JK's house. JK was sitting on couch waiting for them. T was preparing food and Lisa was helping him. After some moments later, JK heard doorbell ring. JK, okay, okay, Jiminy, come. Cook, welcome me properly. You know I am all worldwide handsome. We already know you. Jimin, JK, your husband is so handsome. Jimmy went to T and hugged him. Firstly, T felt uncomfortable. They spent nice time with each other. T was so happy after so long, especially with Jimin. Their bond was so cute. JK was waiting for Jimin. After some moments later, Jimin come and join him. JK, so Jimin say, what do you wanted to talk? JK, no, no, Young, I didn't. Jimin, then why she is with you? Are you guys again together? JK just nodded. Jimin got angry. Jimin angry tone. Are you serious, Jungkook? Don't you remember what she said when you proposed her for marriage? Jimin, what the hell are you doing, Jungkook? I told you she doesn't love you. She just loves your money. Why don't you understand this? JK, but Hyung, she said if I became CEO, she will marry me. Jimin, and what about T, Jungkook? Did you ever thought what will happen with him? JK, of course, Hyung, he will be happy. Jimin, what will you do if I say T is in love with you? JK got shocked completely. JK, what are you talking, Hyung? He will never love me. Jimin, I'm not wrong, Jungkook, but you are doing wrong with T. At least you should tell him that you are already in a relationship. JK, Hyung, I'm telling you, he will never love me. Jimin, and what about you, Jungkook? JK looked at him. JK, what Hyung? I also don't. So Lisa was the one who said JK that if JK becomes CEO, she will marry him. But JK's father has a condition that he will have to marry T. But if Jimin said this, I have to find out if he really loves me or not. But I am still confused by my own feelings. My own feelings are so what I did with a pure heart. He doesn't deserve this. I know he loves JK so much. I know I did wrong with all of them. Also with JK. I forced him to marry T. But truth is after he got married I realized my mistake. I hope you guys liked it because really I don't know how is it.